Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth review about United Healthcare, which is UHC app review. So to get started with a quick overview, United Healthcare app is designed to streamline health insurance management for its member, available on both iOS and Android platform. The app offers features such as a digital ID cards, claim tracking, provider searches, and a prescription management together with access to health service account and a flexible spending account. It also integrates wellness program that allows users to earn rewards by tracking activities like step. The app boasts a user-friendly interface and has a receive high rating on both App Store and Google Play. Talking about the strength of the app, it has a comprehensive health management together with a digital ID access. It also provides a search and cost estimation. It also helps with prescription management, as also wellness integration, which comes with an Apple Health Kit, allow users to track activities and earn rewards, promoting healthier lifestyle. However, there are notable weaknesses about this platform. So one of the notable weaknesses about this platform is the billing issue together with the overall counter, which is the OTC benefit confusion. It also had a limited plan support and a customer support challenges. Some members have faced difficulties in resolving issues through the app support channel, leading to frustration or a frustration. Here's the bottom line. The United Health app offers a range of features that can simplify health insurance management for its member. Its health lies in providing easy access to health information, facilitating provider searches, and integrate wellness program. However, users should be cautioned when using the app for bills payment and be aware of the disappearance in OTC benefit listing.